Hello, this is Mr. Crisp, and this video is going to be about a program I created that would satisfy the AP Computer Science Principles Create Performance task. The program that you create shouldn't be boring. People shouldn't be falling asleep while looking at it, otherwise, why make it? The program not only needs to look good, it needs to function properly, but most importantly, it needs to have a purpose. That's part of the rubric, and you'll be graded on that. The program that I created was, its purpose was to simulate the chaotic minutes after the bell rings and as the students race for their buses. So in the program, the clock strikes 2, and then the hallway starts moving. And in the program, I'm going to be including obstacles that the students will encounter, not only other students on their cell phones, like I have shown here, but also gum on the floor, paper airplanes in the air, doors opening up, teachers calling for students, the general kind of obstacles you'd find as you race for the bus. You also need to talk about the different iterations that your program took in order to get to the final product. And so this is a iteration where I'm showing the different animations and different scenes for the hallway. I'm showing my example stick figure girl running, and I'm going to update that animation. We show all the different pieces and how they fit together. Here is a cell phone dude, and once again this will be updated in the final program. We also need to talk about the difficulties that we've encountered while creating the program, and that's pretty easy for this one. There were a lot of difficulties. One is the clock face needed to have a hand that moved in order for the clock to officially reach 2. So I had to create 2 separate hands and animate the minute hand by making it rotate. Also, there was a bug that I found wherein if you press spacebar before you're supposed to, before the clock strikes 2, then the obstacle, that guy on the cell phone, shows up when he's not supposed to. He's supposed to show up when the hallway shows up. That's the proper way it's supposed to run. The program itself is functioning pretty well at this point in time, but with new animations, some rotoscoping that I'm hoping for, the creative process will become full circle. And we have a lot of resources available to us to create these programs. Now we have all these computers and kids at these computers, which we can use as a resource to help us bounce ideas off of. So our code can be not only functional, but purposeful. And what we create can not only be pleasing to us, but excite other people as well. Just a quick note about the music in this video. It's actually going to be the same music as in my game, and it's the same music that plays at the end of the day. That's Double Dutch Bus by Frankie Miller. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it.